Everybody, Walt here again with US Turf. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can improve your golf game by implementing a synthetic grass putting green into your backyard projects. Most pros are going to tell you that the easiest way to reduce your strokes out on the course is by improving your putting. One of the easiest ways to do that is installing a synthetic putting green in your backyard. A lot of times with your putting green, you're able to incorporate a chipping pad or a chipping fringe to the existing putting surface. That allows you to practice some of those additional strokes, such as your flop shots and your bump and runs. Although a little less common, some people will like to incorporate a full swing net into their backyard putting project as well. One of the best things about installing a synthetic grass putting green in your backyard is that you get to really tailor it to what you're looking for. Here at US Turf especially, we like to sit down with the customer, find out exactly what you want to incorporate, and then come up with a design with you so that the project is exactly what you're looking for. Thanks again for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you like what you see, please continue to come back and see more.